The People's Democratic Party and the Labour Party don scold the federal government wey dey led by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu on Monday sake of say dem buy a new presidential jet worth $100 million without the approval of the National Assembly. The PDP Deputy National Publicity Secretary named Ibrahim Abdullahi and the Deputy Youth Leader wey be Timothy Osadolo, they con dey describe the action of the government as insensitive. They say e no make sense. The federal government dey buy new aircraft, dey buy new jets, meanwhile country people dey suffer, dey face serious hardship, dey struggle to feed for inside the same country. One countryman wey name na Yunusa Tanko, if na the campaign spokesperson for the Labour Party, their presidential candidate wey be Mr. Peter Obi, instinct come outside come talk the same thing. He say e dey very much worrisome say our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu go prioritize im own convenience, as in the things wey go good for am. He go prioritize am, he go make am important number one, go make am the koko over the well-being of the generality of country people. That is, him prefer himself pass country people upon say economic hardship dey for inside the country Nigeria. On Monday, wey be the 19th day of August inside this year 2024, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he embarked on a working visit to France and he fly with the newly acquired Gbos A330 business jet, and this aircraft now is now registered to the Nigerian Air Force. And this particular model, good people, it dey use a twin-aisle passenger aircraft, and it was purchased last month at a price of $100 million. The special advisor to the president on information and strategy wey be Bayo Onanuga, he con dey share the pictures of the presidential jet on im verified X handle. He con dey provide the public with a glimpse, as in small information of the new addition to the presidential fleet. This image now, it can quickly gain attention, can showcase the jet's modern features. According to Bayo Onanuga, this new jet dey replace one older jet from the presidential fleet wey be Boeing 737-700, and e don dey in service for 19 years since dem purchase am during the former President Olusegun Obasanjo administration. This upgrade now, it dey mark a significant step, important ogbonge step like that, in modernizing the presidential fleet. For inside one interview with Tori People, the Labour Party spokesman con dey yarn say this our country Nigeria wey be say country people dey battle every day with poverty, they dey see different color of shege. The president now no supposed to dey go purchase luxury jets. He say thank God for the Freedom of Information Act wey dey give country people the right to access some kind information, whether by writing or you ask directly. So therefore, every countryman now get right to know. Now, even apart from the constitutional right sef, the government must be transparent and accountable to the people. They must tell country people wetin they do with their money. And there is so many shady deals, different things now wey this government, this particular administration don do behind people back, and the people are not holding them accountable for it. The purchase of the jets now only the tip of the iceberg. In fact, we don be here before say President Bola Ahmed Tinubu allegedly bought a new car for himself. So it is very much clear say they just dey take care of themselves at the expense of country people. They are just making themselves fat, living large with the money of country people. Now, in a normal setting, the National Assembly is supposed to know about this matter, and now them supposed to decide whether to approve or whether not to approve. The situation where we find ourselves in this country is very much appealing. It's not making sense at all. So this government gas come clean and gas tell the general public where they get money to buy Airbus worth of $100 million, when people now they battle with poverty every day, where they see different kind of shege. The country will be say people they struggle to feed. We can't even make them go do end bad governance protests. The federal government no even dey show empathy. They no dey show pity for country people. Now they don't buy fuel at the price of 970 naira per litre. All this info, good people, now wetin the Labour Party spokesman talk for the interview wey im get with Tori People. And the PDP Deputy Publicity Secretary wey be Abdullahi, instead the yarn they give Tori People, say the purchase of the presidential aircraft while Nigerians now they endure hunger and hardship, it dey show the lack of seriousness of this APC-led federal government. Yes, it dey show say they are not serious and e dey show say they no come to help the general public, they no come to do things wey go benefit the country people. They don choose to embark on goose chasing and white elephant projects wey no dey in the interest of the nation. Now, despite the hardship wey dey for inside we country and the ongoing economic crisis, the APC government don remain deaf to the pleas, don remain deaf to the cry of country people. Yet, they still proceed go dey buy another aircraft for the presidential fleet. And this presidential fleet, e already get not less than 9 presidential aircraft. Oga Abdullahi come dey call on country people, say make dem dey take note of everything wey dey happen o. If we no come together to address the situation, it will be very much unfortunate for this our country, Nigeria, to move forward. And no be lie, my good people, the things and things wey this government dey do so is not making sense at all. As the federal government led by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, dem go buy presidential aircraft, they no even tell the lawmakers. The National Assembly don come outside now dey yarn say they are not aware and they are not involved in the process. According to Tori people now, say one senator come dey yarn dey give them, say at no time, that is there was no time wey this deal now dem discuss am for plenary meeting. It was not tabled, they no carry am come for them to talk about am, whether they go approve or not. Another source come dey give us information, say based on the last communication from the Senate Presido, e dey show say there was no official request that was received from the presidency. Even members of the House of Representatives sef don also voice their concern. One rep member come outside dey yarn say they never see anything in the main budget or the supplementary budget about the purchase of a new presidential aircraft. So it was presented as a lump sum. So they no go fit talk anything until they see the details. And even until now, my good people, the presidency never issue any official statement. It dey leave the public now in the dark about this purchase. Now, this lack of transparency and communication with this federal government they promote, so it don make many country people come dey ask questions on how the presidency dey buy new private jets. As the National Assembly dey wait for more details about the matter, the public dey still dey wait for answers about the matter. They wan know how the federal government dey finalize a multi-million-dollar deal without the legislative, without the National Assembly knowing about it. So this, my good people, na the informate wey as make I share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give una legit information on the things and things wey dey happen for inside our nation, Nigeria. So if you would like to receive more news, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news they come, now you go first receive the updates and you go get them sharp. And try make you dey share the news to your family and friends so that them too they go know wetin dey sup for inside the country, Nigeria. And they bring another legit information for you, my good people. No go anywhere.